It's bargain hunting time in the aisles of corporate Britain. With the economy staging its recovery from the initial shock of the pandemic, financial investors have gone shopping. The latest to get picked off the shelf is Morrisons, the UK's fourth biggest supermarket chain. As Sky News revealed at the weekend, the retailer has attracted a takeover bid from Clayton Dubilier and Rice, an American private equity firm.
Clearly, nobody would be bidding for this company unless they saw there was some value they could get out of it. And it's always been an issue with the city that they've never rated the supermarkets very highly. All their shares are undervalued.
Shares in the company soared today after confirmation of the rejected takeover bid. Morrisons was valued at £4.3 billion on Friday before the offer was made public. CD&R's initial bid was worth £5.5 billion, and Morrisons' value soared to £5.7 billion amid hopes of a bidding war. The Bradford-based company could now be the second of Britain's big four supermarkets to change hands following Asda's recent sale. That's despite the impact of COVID-19 on the sector's cost base, which has only been partially offset by a spike in sales to lockdown consumers. Much of the recent action in the grocery sector has seen investors piling into fast delivery apps like Gorillas and Getir, which has seen its valuation soar to more than £5 billion. And the interest in Morrisons will raise questions about how its workforce might fare under new owners.
I just hope that the owners of Morrisons hold their nerve and don't take a short-term financial goal for themselves and leave in what is, the people that have provided that regular income for them, those regular profits, being left out in the cold.
Morrisons owns most of its nearly 500 stores itself, making its property portfolio an attractive asset to potential buyers. It's not often that a bidding frenzy breaks out at one of the UK's big food retailers, but there's now speculation that other private equity firms, or even Amazon, with which Morrisons has a partnership, will emerge as rival suitors. City sources tell me that CD&R itself will lodge a higher offer, either on its own or with a partner, ahead of a deadline on July the 17th. Morrisons' roots date back to a West Yorkshire market stall in 1899. Today's multi-billion-pound bid suggests its 54 years on the London stock market could soon be reaching the checkout. Mark Kleinman, Sky News.